Hey guys, so for this cup, I'm just starting with white. It was just a white cup using this Rust-Oleum dark blue paint for the top, like part of the sky is what I was thinking. So I just did this color on the bottom of the cup now, which is the top. Then I switched to vintage teal for the lower part of the sky. And just leaving the rest white. So once that was dry, I added just a tiny bit of epoxy. This is the Artisan Fast Set epoxy. And I was using it for something else, so there's just a tiny bit left, which that's all you need for doing glitter. So just spreading this on really well, making sure it's coating the entire cup for some glitter. So then starting with this kind of white iridescent glitter, it's one that I'm testing out. It will be coming soon. So I wanted it just to kind of look like a really sparkly starry sky. So just kind of sprinkling this with my cup at an angle so it wasn't really getting in the bottom white part, just kind of more the sky part, and just kind of adding it slowly until I was happy with how it looked. So then taking Athena from Peachy Olive Glitters, and I wanted to add some more kind of chunky gold glitter to it. I thought that would just be really pretty for like the starry sky. So then I'm just adding that mainly to the top part and then angling my cup the other way to kind of let the glitter fall down, like trickle down like in the sky. Yeah, and just adding that slowly, again, just like the other glitter. I didn't want to do too much at a time, just kind of sprinkling as I go. And you'll see in a minute, I do more full coverage on the very top of the cup. And yeah, I thought that looked really pretty as like a starry sky. Then once the glitter was done, I kind of press on the top and just kind of get that top parts to like lay flat or dust off. Then once I sealed that and it was dry, I went in with my first layer of epoxy. Again, the Artisan Fast Set, just putting it on and rubbing it out. I use about 20 milliliters, I think, for this because of the glitter. Just the glitter like soaks up a lot of the epoxy, kind of has to go in between all the glitter and fill it all in. So you're going to use a little bit more. And when I have glitter on there like this, even though I did seal it, I like to kind of put it on in sections. So that's why I'm doing the white part first, because it really doesn't have glitter. There is a couple specks on there that I didn't mean to get on there, but it did. But I kind of just work gradually up. So then you'll see I do the lighter blue part next, and then I'll do the more chunky glitter part, just so you're not moving any of that glitter, because even though I sealed it, it still kind of moves around sometimes. So I just like to do it this way. It helps just keep the glitter in place. And then once this was dry, I think I did one more layer before the next step, just so it was nice and smooth and there was no like chunky glitter sticking out. So then after my 2 layers were dry, I wanted to add Some of these really cute stickers, I have some little like snowflakes and stars and a little deer. So I just went ahead and added those in the sky. So then adding one of these cute little deers on the bottom, I thought it would just be really cute and help kind of cover up how the bottom kind of indents on these cups. Then one of my friends came and saw this cup and really liked it, so I decided to give it to her and put her name on it. So her name's Melody, and I cut it out on my silhouette machine in the metallic silver. I thought the silver would just be really pretty against the gold and the blue and everything, so that's what I did. This font is from Over. The app Over is what I use, and it is called Medina, I think. Medina. I'll put it down below, but it's one of my favorite fonts to do names on cups. I just think it's so beautiful, and I just love how the letters are kind of small in some parts, but then like really big in other parts. Yeah, it's just one of my faves. So then just taking some tape to put my decal on the cup. I've used transfer tape and I don't love it. I do like that you can line it up easier because it's got the grid on it, but I think I'm just using the wrong one. So let me know what kind of transfer tape you guys like to use, because for names and smaller things, I've just been using tape and I prefer it over transfer tape. So let me know what you guys like. So just centering it on the cup and placing it. You could see my daughter's hands. I don't know what she was doing. She just comes in when I'm working on stuff, and she just saw the stickers and paintbrushes and was just playing, so. So then I did one more layer of the fast set epoxy on this just to finish it off. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.